Hey folks, and welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here because today Kentucky Petrolhead has a special treat for you. This is a 1964 Thunderbird convertible that is currently owned by a friend of mine, but it is looking for a new home. So if you are interested, message me and I will get you in touch with the owner. I got to spend a little time with his beauty here. It's a 1964 Thunderbird convertible. They made about 11,600 of these convertibles. This is original. The engine's never been rebuilt. He did repaint the car. It's a pearl white, and it is a beautiful paint job, as you can see here. Got a nice sparkle to it. It has the original dash in it, which is awesome, and it has the original air cleaner with the original paint job on it. He redid a lot of the stuff on the interior, but most of the stuff in here still looks original. It's in very good shape. I think he redid the seats on it, but this has 68,535 miles. He actually found it in a garage, and he had to redo a lot of the interior, so that's been restored. He's had the whole body repainted. He repainted the undercarriage and did new brakes all the way around as well. So it's running very well. We actually got to take a ride in it, which you get to see later in the show. But just check out this thing, man. It is gorgeous, and it is an awesome car for cruising around on a beautiful day. These yellow valve covers were only made for this one model year, so they're pretty rare. And then you can see the original air cleaner with the original paint job is still on here. This is the 352 V8 FE motor from Ford, and it runs great. Man, I was just grinning from ear to ear. This is the perfect car to put the top down and just go cruise on a beautiful Sunday afternoon. I had so much fun just putting around in this thing. Unfortunately, there is not room in my driveway for yet another car, so hopefully one of you guys out there will buy this baby and then send me a video of you driving it. Well, that's it for this episode of Kentucky Petrolhead. If you enjoyed this, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I do have some fun cars lined up to shoot some videos when I get the time, but I'll see you guys on the flip side.